All right, so I got a new fragrance. I'm going to unbox it. This was sent to me by Fragrance Nevea. Yes, I purchased this. He has an amazing deal. This is a tester. So I thought, you know what? I'll unbox it just to show you kind of what does it look like when you buy a tester. So this time I actually brought the scissors because I've had bad success without them. It just takes longer. And I figure this way I won't have to cut out as much on the editing. As I say that, I'm having a hard time. There we go. Let's see. Oh my goodness gracious. Looks like I'm using scissors some more. And there we go. We should be good. So, again, this was sent by Fragrance Nevea. It's his packaging. I love the way he packages everything. Ooh, he changed the card. Oh, I'll have to read that. Thanks so much, Caleb. Appreciate it. However, what we are looking for is in this package, which I am terrible at opening these. That being said, I'm actually not doing so bad. Holy cow. I'm getting stronger. Stronger. Okay, I'm going to move the box out of the way. So it didn't even come in a cardboard box. It just came in that package. So here we go. From the moment I started smelling fragrances and I really liked them, I have wanted this fragrance. It immediately captured my attention. It was something I loved, but it is $330. When I first started buying fragrances, I didn't even want to pay $100 for a fragrance. I was like, no, who would pay $100 for a fragrance? That has changed slightly now, in my opinion. But $330, that's still pricey. And I don't know if it's worth it for a 50 ml, but I finally have in my collection Tom Ford Oud Wood. I love this fragrance so much. This is literally one of my favorite fragrances. So typically this comes in a Tom Ford box. It's square box. You open, you pull up the top, and it just sits on the base. When you buy testers, a lot of times they'll come in like a white cardboard plain box, nothing fancy, nothing special, and it's just the packaging. And that's the difference between this, a tester, coming from the regular Tom Ford box, or coming from a tester, usually just in a generic box. So yes, same fragrance, same juice, same DNA, same everything. Let me spray this on. Let's see if I can show you the atomizer. There you go. Oh, I love this fragrance. I love this fragrance. I love this fragrance. It is the perfect balance of oud. Like Tom Ford, my favorite oud fragrance is actually on the top shelf. I don't know if you can see it. It is from YSL. It's M7 Oud. Tom Ford was in charge of YSL when they made that fragrance, and it is one of the best ouds. He then went and created his own brand and came out with this, which is incredible. It's on par with YSL. I still think I prefer the YSL just a little bit because it has a little bit of spice to it, tiny bit, not a lot, just a tiny bit. This is just sexy oud. Sexy oud. I love it so much. I wish it wasn't hot today. I'd wear this as my full fragrance today. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to shoot another video right after this, and it's going to be comparing this with 3 other fragrances that are very similar and smell similar to see which one I like better. So I will be wearing oud today. So we'll see. May not be my scent, or maybe I will be my scent, and I'll just have to spray it because I got oud on. But I don't know. Love this fragrance. Highly recommend it. If you're looking for a beautiful oud, check out Fragrance Nevea. He has this for $119. It's a crazy deal. Crazy deal. Thank you, Nevea. Appreciate everything you guys are doing over there. Keep up the great work. Again, fragrance today that I'm unboxing. I'm hoping the camera is actually focusing on it because sometimes it doesn't want to, but it is from Tom Ford. It is Oud Wood.